ChatGPT was down today, so the best way to figure out what's going on is always to head on over to status.openai.com. That's going to give you all the updates that the website is going to share with users. So as you guys can see, that there was a major outage on the 20th and for about close to 4 hours. So all you have to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see the past incident. As you can see on the screen, it says we fully restored ChatGPT services to all users. We're continuing to work on restoring past conversation histories to users. And here's the alert letting us know that the history is still missing. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page to see if, now that it's midnight, to see if there have been any changes, and no, all my chats are still missing. So I hope by morning time they've been able to fix this problem. So I think if you are going to offer a paid subscription to your users, you should definitely have better communication as far as updates, because many individuals may not even know about the status page, and they usually depend on social media in order to try to find out any information. So what actually happened during the day with ChatGPT? Well, one of the issues that occurred allegedly for some individuals, I don't know if it was for everyone, that individuals were able to see the titles of chats that were not theirs. And this brought up a lot of issues with privacy and safety of your information being shared with others. So that's something that I hope the company actually addresses, and it's not just part of like an update that says, oh, here's your history back, and they never mention the issue that occurred allegedly, right? Because I don't know if it happened to everyone. So these are some of the concerns that I think should be discussed.